Here's 41 Sabrina Avenue in 60 seconds. Now, it might seem slightly unassuming from the outside, but there's 3 things that you're going to get excited about. Firstly, you've got a freshly renovated home throughout. You've got VJ paneling, you've got freshly laid hybrid floors, and a fantastic new kitchen. And secondly, you've got this sublime flat backyard, which is awesome for a bit of backyard cricket with the family, a pool, or maybe even a granny flat for the future. And thirdly, it's a flat easy stroll to the pristine Bateau Beach.